Hello guys, welcome to CyberCrush YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video, we'll discuss the day 4 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's video. So guys, here I have the complete playlist of Advent of Cyber 2025. And here I have given all the updates regarding the Advent of Cyber 2025. You can save this playlist, you can share with your friends, and you can subscribe to CyberCrush YouTube channel to get all the updates regarding Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, now I am on my computer screen and let's move to AOC, and we can scroll down and here we can click continue learnings. So, and guys, guess what, here you can see we have the AI in security, so we can tap this room. So it's loading. So now you can see this is the AI in cyber security, sorry, AI in security. So guys, here you can see we have the video 1, we have the video 2. These are the video solution by the industrial experts, and from here the story begins. So guys, let's start the task 1, and here the story. Guys, basically in this room, the story is like the TVFC company cybersecurity employee. Previously, they were using some AI agent that is Van Chatty, but that is a chatbot, but that is not fully working or fully based on the advanced cybersecurity tax or advanced AI/ML tax. So their team has decided to build another one AI assistant, that is Van Solve It assistant, and this is capable of doing the offensive tax, doing the defensive tax and all. So here we have the objectives like how AI assistant can help in cybersecurity with domain and tax. Using AI assistant, how we can solve various tasks in cybersecurity, and some of the consideration but practical tasks we will do in this room. So here you can see, and we can start the attack machine, and here we can start the machine also, target machine. So it's loading, so we can wait. And now here we have the IP addresses, so we can fix this window so that we can work with the large space. So here we can give a check. Now you can see our attack box is completely loaded, so we can start the task 2. So the boom of AI assistant, like guys, this room is completely designed to showcase the importance of AI in the role of cybersecurity. So here you can read all these lines and you can get a complete idea. I'm giving you a short summary regarding this, like how AI is working in cybersecurity. Like here you can see AI in cybersecurity. So processing large amount of data, behaving analysis, generative AI. Like we can process large amount of data. Like you can see in cybersecurity, we have to work with lots of data and information. So to analyze all that, we can take the help of the AI. We can work with the defensive, offensive, and all the work in the cyber security. We can do that thing, but very easily we can do using taking the help of the AI. Here we can do a practical task. So simply here we have to copy this URL and we can open the Firefox, and here we'll simply paste that and give a enter. So guys, here you can see this is the When Solve IT AI, that is the TVFC new AI assistant. So here we will use this AI. Now here we have the stages, like to get the flag. Here you have the user's tip and all. Here to complete the AI showcase by progressing through all the stages to get the flag presented to you. So we have to complete all the stages to get the flag. Now we can start with the AI assistant stage 1. So this is an interactive lab with the showcase how AI is working. Here we can do complete stage to continue. Yes. So now stage 1 is completed. We are now in the stage 2 and we will work as a red team. So you're welcome to the red team. So guys, I can help you generate Python script for the vulnerabilities within the web application of a today's advent of cyber web application. Yes, we can begin. So I will type the yes and we will give a enter. So let's wait. AI is thinking. Right now you can see the AI has already given us the instruction how to open the editor and write the code and save and execute all that steps. So here you can see we have the code. So simply here we have opened our terminal and let's adjust that. Here I have checked I am in the root user and here these are all these directories. So let's type nano. I will use the nano text editor and script.py and I will give a enter. So here my nano interface is open. So let me copy this code. So I will select all these codes and simply I will copy this and here I will give a paste. And now as per the instructions, we will click Ctrl O. Now, yes, it's done. We have saved the file. So now we can run this Python 3 script. But before that, we need to change this machine IP in the code. And simply here I will use the keyboard to navigate and simply we will change this machine IP. So I've already changed the machine IP and we'll give a enter. So now let's save this and run this script again. So yes, this is all done. So now we can run the Python script. So yes, we have done that. So guys, now here we can see we got the flag inside this code after running that Python script. Here we got the flag. But let's check in the browser also. So we'll open our browser and simply from here we will type that and we'll run. So here guys we have the new interface like login interface. So we will copy the credentials, like we have to open that code again and from that we can get the credentials. So let's check. Yes, from here you can see we have the username and password. Like now, yes, from here we got the flag. So let's copy that flag and here simply I can paste that and give a check. So guys, yes, this is correct. So now let's move to the other stages. So we log out. So guys, we have completed this stage. So let's scroll up and complete stage. So guys, now we will work as a blue team assistant. Now we are on the second stage, sorry, the third stage, and we'll work as a blue team analyst. Sorry, the AI will work as the blue team analyst. So guys, now here we are in the blue team assistant. So this assistant will work for us as a blue team member. So we will type here analyze. So that attack we did as a red team, let the blue team analyze that attack. So I have given the command and let's wait. So here you can see it is doing the its work completely good and clean. So you can see it has given us the IP address, time and date, URL and all the informations. So now the stage is completed. So I will complete this stage and move to the final stage. So now it will review the source code like as a red team, like the source code that we have generated that is vulnerable to the SQL injection attack. Like so now let's review that code and get the actual code. Now we have given yes and you can see the AI assistant is thinking. So let's wait. So guys, here you can see it is giving the complete explanations like how the code is vulnerable. So you can check all this. And now here we got the flag. So we can copy from here and we will give a paste and we can give a check. So guys, this is correct. So now here we have the recommendation room. As we know guys, this is a premium room. So you can also check this room. And if you want you can try this. So now we can give a check And guys, we did it. AI in security is done. So now we can continue. And from here also, I got one advent of cyber ticket. So continue. And guys, now we can move to Wareville. So go to Wareville, and guess what? We have successfully completed the AI in security room. So guys, we have successfully completed the day 4 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, for more updates regarding Advent of Cyber 2025, subscribe to Cybercrust YouTube channel. Thank you.